Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to VLOOKUP and return multiple values separated by comma in Excel. Okay, so let's get started. In the first example, we have some codes here in column A and some values associated with them in column B. Here the lookup value is multiple codes separated by comma, so the return value should be multiple values associated with those codes and separated by comma. To get the desired result, let's enter this formula here. Let's see what the filter XML function returns. Okay, so you can just select them and press F9 and see how the returns shows. Okay, so let's press F9 here. Okay, so the filter XML function returns the lookup values separated by comma, so that means in an array. Okay, now this is the lookup array and this is the column index number 2. Okay, press enter and we get this result. So 158, so 158. Okay, so 56, 97, 76. So the result is correct. In the next example, we are going to look up for different codes and return the first name and last name separated by comma in a single cell. Okay, so let's enter the text join function. The delimiter is obviously comma. Okay, ignore empty cells and let's use the VLOOKUP function. The lookup value is the code in here. The table array is this table. Okay, you can fix the reference using F4 if you want. The column index number, instead of using a single column index number, we are going to use an array. So use the curly bracket. For the last name to appear first, use column 3 first, followed by semicolon and column 2 for the first names. Close the curly brackets and the following brackets. Okay, press enter and we are getting this result. Let's change it to, let's say, 007 and we're getting this result. Okay, so 007 Charles Simmons. Okay, so the formula is working fine. In the next example, we have multiple sections and repeated multiple times. Okay, so we are going to get the names for each section separated by comma. Okay, so let's extract the unique sections first. So use the unique function. Okay, and okay, so these are the sections, and here we are going to use the text join function as earlier. Okay, and then the if function. Okay, so if column A block the cell reference equal to D1, then we want the column B as a return, otherwise we want empty strings. Okay, so let's see. So for section A we are getting the first 3 names. Okay, so the formula is working fine. In the next example, we are going to do the same but using the filter function. Okay, so text join filter. The array is, we want to filter column B, fix the cell reference, and the condition is column A equal to D1. Okay, so we are getting the same result as earlier. In the last example, we are going to create a custom function which will work just like the VLOOKUP function. Okay, so right click on the sheet tab or go to the developer tab and Visual Basic, and here click on view code. Now click create a new module and enter this code. Okay, so the function mLookup for multiple lookup has three arguments, that is lookup value, table array, and the column index number. Okay, so let's save it as a macro enabled XLSM file. Okay, and now enter the user defined function, that is mLookup. The first argument is the lookup value, the second argument is the table array, fix the cell reference, and the final argument is the return column or column index number 2. Okay, so we are getting the same result as earlier. So these are some of the examples on how to VLOOKUP and return multiple values separated by comma in Excel. Hope you find this video useful. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.